Hello guys! In this video, I will show you how to quickly face swap using Gemini Nano Banana Pro. So, let's start the video. First, click on the official Google Gemini link to open the app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular account credentials and continue to the workspace. Once inside Gemini, look for the Create Image button and click on it. This will switch you into the image generation experience and activate the Nano Banana Pro tools, allowing you to work with images directly in the chat. Next, click the plus icon to upload your reference images. You'll need to upload 2 photos. First, the image containing the face you want to transfer. Second, the image with the body or scene where the face should appear. Common formats like JPG and PNG work best. For better results, choose photos with similar angles and make sure the faces are not heavily obstructed. Now it's time to write your prompt. In the message box, type, "Please insert the face of the person from image 1 into the body of the person in image 2. Make sure your wording is clear and that you refer to the images in the same order you uploaded them. After that, click Submit. Gemini will process your request and generate the face-swapped image. This may take a moment. Once the result appears, review it carefully. Check the face orientation, skin tone, and edges to see if they look natural. If something seems off, try refining your prompt with small adjustments, such as matching the expression or angle, and submit it again. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.